There are only two estates that you can operate out of while you're alive.
Your personal estate or your trust estate.
But here's the thing, 99% of the population, they operate out of their personal estate. They put their homes, their cars, that's a Cybertruck, their LLCs, all of that stuff is owned in your personal estate. And as a result, you have to deal with taxes, liabilities, and lawsuits. All the income that you earn from here, you have to pay taxes on. And if you own anything in your personal name, somebody can come after you for it. Even other entities that you operate out of, like your LLCs and your corporations, right? Because you're a member of that LLC, you're a shareholder of that corporation, whether it's an S Corp or C Corp, all that income flows through to you. That's why they're called flow-through entities. Even living trust. A lot of people think that living trusts are separate entities. They think it's part of a trust estate, as part of some separate entity that they're protected by. But it doesn't become part of a trust estate until you die. While you're alive, anything in a living trust, whether it's a revocable living trust or a land trust, it's still part of your personal estate. But a trust estate gives you access, benefits, and control without the taxation and the liabilities and lawsuits. You get access, benefits, and control of everything inside the trust estate, but you don't own anything inside the trust estate. This is what we call own nothing, control everything. Anytime that you're involving an LLC or a corporation or a living trust, you still technically have ownership of that. Whether you want to try to hide it or whatnot, you still actually have ownership, and somebody can sue you and take money from you. So those assets can be penetrated. But anything that's inside of a trust estate is a completely separate entity from you that you don't own and control. If it's properly structured and managed right, that's a key thing. Now, here's the thing, none of these are bad. You want to have a personal estate and you want to have a trust estate. They're both good things to have. Efficient tax planning and estate planning is really going to determine how much of your assets you're going to be able to protect and how well you're going to be able to pass on your assets and your wealth to the next generation. But both estates are important to have. Your personal estate and your trust estate are important to have. Unfortunately, most people, they only know about this option. They don't know how to benefit from a trust estate while they're alive.